The Mission Breakout CPS kit consists of the following items: a set of student satellite units, a mission command center as well as its power supply, a pair of Cyclops stripper tools, a pair of RJ45 crimp tools, a set of 5-foot UTP patch cords, sets of pin jumpers, UTP cable, a set of RJ45 connectors, a set of color code cards. Start by configuring the satellite units with the pin jumpers. Remember red to red and black to black. Next, connect the power supply to the Mission Command Center and plug it into an electrical wall outlet. Using the UTP patch cord, connect the input on the Mission Command Center to the black output on the satellite unit. Next, plug another UTP patch cord into the 568A jack on the Mission Command Center, then to the red input of the student satellite unit. Remember, this is a satellite unit for teachers to broadcast to the class. In order to set up student head-to-head mode, take a UTP patch cord and plug it into any one of the 12 jacks located on the side of the Mission Command Center. Plug the other end into the red input on one of the student satellite units. Finally, connect a UTP patch cord to the black output of the initial unit, then to the red input of the second student satellite unit. Now the student using the first satellite unit is ready to create faults for the second student to solve on his or her satellite unit. In order to create instructor-generated faults, plug up to 12 student satellite units into the jacks on both sides of the Mission Command Center. Start by plugging the UTP patch cord into the red input on the student satellite unit. This will enable the instructor's satellite unit to broadcast faults to the entire class. The example shown is a reversal of pair 3. Now let's learn how to make a 4-pair 568A patch cord. This is a color code card. See the ruler on the bottom? Start by measuring 1 inch of the cable jacket. Next, insert the cable into the stripper tool and strip off 1 inch of cable jacket.
Do that one more time.
We are now ready to separate the twisted pairs. Next, untwist the pairs and arrange them in the 568A configuration. white green, green, white orange, blue, white blue, orange, white brown, brown. Now that the wires are in the correct order, you are ready to cut off the excess wires, leaving 1/2 of an inch exposed. Continue to hold the wires firmly between your fingers as you insert them into the RJ45 plug. Notice the tab is facing the back and you have a clear view of the 568A configuration. Once the wires are fully inserted into the plug and properly seated under the 8 conductors, take the crimp tool and insert the connector. Once it is seated in firmly, squeeze the handles together. In order to successfully test the patch cord, you must complete these same steps on the opposite end of the cord. Test the cable by plugging it into the red input jack on the student satellite unit and then into any one of the 12 jacks located on both sides of the Mission Command Center. If the lights indicate green 1, green 2, green 3, green 4, then the cable has been successfully constructed.